Justin. I'm here reporting at the Department of Justice. De Lima told the news conference that Dennis Cunanan, former head of the Technology Line Resource Center, or now Technology Resource Center or TRC, had been admitted as a provisional state witness and would confirm being called up by the senators of their staff to release PDAC funds to phony aid organizations set up by Janice Lim Napoles, the alleged brains behind the Fort Barrel scam. But Malacanang denied that the president had a hand in Cunanan's turning state witness. Communications Secretary Herminio Coloma said Mr. Aquino was speaking in general terms. When he spoke to reporters on Wednesday about new witnesses coming out soon. Joel Bodegon, a lawyer for Revilla, said Cunanan's turning state witness was a desperate move by the government to beef up a weak plundered case with fabricated testimonies that cannot be backed with credible evidence. The TRC is one of the 4 implementing agencies implicated in the Fort Barrel scam. According to government investigators, the policy organizations, the National Agribusiness Corp, the National Livelihood Development Corp, and GNAC Rubber Estate Corp.
Thank you.
Thank you, Steve.